Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa kembali dalam channel Maths with Warajali. Pada video kali ini kita masih melanjutkan topik tentang logarithm atau logaritma. Dan ini insya Allah adalah video yang keempat yang kita bahas, yang merupakan kelanjutan daripada video 3. Di video 3, logarithm and exponential function, di bagian akhir video ada saya berikan soal latihan untuk coba dikerjakan, dan ini latihan itu tersebut pada video 3 saya ulangi, saya tulis ulang, dan kita akan membahas dan menjawab sama-sama bagaimana jawaban dari 3 buah soal dalam latihan 3 itu. Baik, kita dapat mulai sekarang. Problem and solution. Question 1, evaluate this. Hitung berapa logaritma ini. Nah, ini jawabannya. Kita boleh langsung seperti ini aja. Kalau jawabannya misalnya kita tak tahu, misalnya jawabannya X. Ya, kan pada logaritma di video 2 dan 1 saya sudah mengatakan bagaimana kalau logaritma ini dapat kita ubah menjadi bentuk index form. Jadi kita boleh buat seperti ini, 27 to the power of X. So 27 power of X is here, ini ke sini is, atau sama dengan 3. Nah, 27 dan 3 is 3 power 1, kan begitu. 27 itu kita bisa buat menjadi 3 pangkat berapa. Kita samakan basis, ini basis 3, basis 27. So, write 27 as 3 to the power of 3. 27 is 3 cube. Power of X equal 3 power of 1. And then you multiply this index. So, you have 3 power of 3x equal 3 power of 1. So because the base already the same, so you can cancel this, and then you just equate the powers. So from here we can write that 3x equal 1, then x equal 1 over 3. And this is the answer for problem number 1 part A. And for problem number 1 part B, we can do the same way. Look this. This question, logarithm of the base is 2a, the logarithm of 4a square. So what is the result? Pretend that the result equal x. So we can use the same way as previous by writing as index form. This is power. So you can write as 2a to the power of x, right? Don't forget to put brackets. Equal to or is equal to 4a square. So look at this. The base here is 2a, but this 4a square you can write as a 2 square times a square, right? Because 4 is a 2 square. So 2 square a square. 2 and a has the same power, a square power. So you can write this as 2a power of x equal 2a brackets square. You can write like this. You can rearrange like this. Look now that the base on the both side, left and right side, has been the same. So because has been the same, you can just cancel this and this, which means that we just need to equate the power, equate the index. So x equal 2. So the answer is clearly that equal to. So here the answer for question 1 part B. Now we move to question number 2. Now for question number 2, the problem is, this is the problem for question number 2, or number 2a. Okay, 2a, you have 3 power of 2x plus 1 equal 80. Look, you cannot write 80 as 3 power somethings. This is the base 3, the base 80 is 80 to the power of 1. So 80 cannot be written as, you cannot change the 80 as what number, power what number. Okay, so this can be solved by take the log to both sides. Okay, so I take log of 3 2x plus 1 equal the logarithm of 80. So one properties of logarithm, it can bring the power down. So can bring the power down to x plus 1. The logarithm of 3 equal the logarithm of 80. Then 2x plus 1 equal to the logarithm of 80 divide the logarithm of 3. So you can use your calculator in order to find the result. Now, using our calculator, the logarithm of 80 to the base of 10 is 1.9. So I just write two decimal places. So logarithm 3 is 0.48. So this result, when you divide, is 3.9583. So 2x plus 1 equal this. So you can rewrite this equation by writing like this. It's 2x equal 3.9583 minus 1. This 2.9583. So x equal to 9,583 divided by 2. So the answer is divided by 2. So we have answer 1.4791. This is the value of x. This is the answer for question number 2, part A. Now, for problem number 2, part B, this equation, okay, you can split this terms as 3 power of 2x times 3 power of 1 minus 3 power x, 24 equals 0. 3 power of 1 is 3, so 3 times 3 2x minus 3x, 24 equals 0. Now from here, you pretend that by letting that let 3 to the power of x equal to a, and 3 to the power of 2x equal to a square. So using this, we can write as 3 to the power of 2x can be written as a square, 3a square, and 3 to the power of x we write as a, yeah, using substitution, minus 24 equal to 0. Now from this you factorize. How is the factor of this? Yeah, you can write as 3a. What is the factor of this? And now after we factorize, here's the factor, and then so 3a plus 8 equals 0, or a minus 3 equal 0. Then a1 equal minus 8 over 3, a2 equal 3. So we can write back, because we pretend that a equal to 3 to the power of x. This means that write a as a 3 power x. 3 to the power of x equal negative 8 over 3. So if you take the logarithm, if we take log to the both side, you have log 3 power of x equal log of negative 8 over 3. So x, the logarithm of 3, equal not available, no answer. Why? Because we cannot take the logarithm of negative number. So this has no answer. Okay. Now look at the solution 2. For solution 2, 3 to the power of x equal 3. 3 is to the power of 1. Already same basis. And then x equal 1. So the solution or the answer to this problem is only one solution, which is x equal 1. Now we continue with question 2c. So as before, we can pretend or let by substitution, let 2 to the power of x equal a, and 2 to the power of 2x equal a square. So from this substitution, we can say that 2 to the power of 2x replaced by a square, 2 to the power of x you replace by a, minus 6. What you do then? You factorize, because this is a quadratic equation, to get how much a1 and how much a2. So this factor is x a minus 3 times a plus 2 equals 0, a1 equal 3, a2 equal negative 2. So you write back. We write back because a is a 2 to the power of x. So when the 2 power x equal 3, take log. the logarithm of 2 power x equal logarithm of 3. Bring the power down, x logarithm 2 equal logarithm of 3. Then x is the log of 3 divided log of 2. So you can answer by using calculator. For this case, for the second solution, because a is 2 to the power of x, yeah, so 2 power of x equal negative 2. This has no solution like before, like the previous question. So using our calculator, we can use this button, logarithm, or use this button first. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Moment. Okay, using this button, a fraction button, right? Log of 3 brackets divided by the logarithm of 2 and then brackets. So this is answer 1.5849. 1.5846. Okay, we can write if you write this to two significant figure or one decimal place, this answer is 1.6. Yeah, the value of x is 1.6. Okay, the next is question number 2D, and the answer. Look at the base here. Left side has base 7 and the right side has base 4. Because 7 and 4 cannot be written in the same number, yeah, so you just take the logarithm to the both side. So if we take log like this and then bring the power down, you bring the power down like this, right, like this, and then rearrange this equation by writing like this, x minus 3. You bring this by divided by 2x equal the logarithm of 4 divided by the logarithm of 7. So what is the answer of this logarithm? Use your calculator. Okay. Using our calculator, the logarithm of 4 divided by the logarithm of 7 is this. And then write like this. You multiply this and this here. Okay. This number times 2, this is the answer. And then rearrange the equation. Yeah. Become like this. 1 minus 1.424x equal to 3. And then this divide 3 divided by minus 0.424 equal 7 point this. Okay, we round up the answer to become x.08. Right? Here's the answer for question part 2D. Now, we almost finished question number 3, part A and part B. How to solve kind of questions like this. So, answer. Using question number 3A, so you can write 10 power of 3. So you write this at 10 to the power of 3 equal n square minus 90 of n. 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. So you can write n square minus 90 of n equal 1000. So bring to the left. So n square minus 90 of n minus 1000 equal to 0. What next? Factorize. What is the factor for this? Yeah. Here. What is the factor of? You can times 1000 and 100. Maybe 110. One positive and one negative. Okay. This is a factor. So answer n1 equal negative of 10 and 2 equal 100. And be careful with these two answers. We cannot take all answer. Look again, for especially when your answer is negative, you have to take care the answer carefully when the answer is negative. So maybe we can write back. Okay, we can check again. I mean, if your logarithm, if n is negative, yeah, look again. This negative 10, substitute again here. So 100 minus become what? Negative 10 times negative 90 become positive, yeah. Positive of 900. Okay, now it's okay because the logarithm it become a positive, so you can take this answer. Yeah, because the logarithm of 10, if we because when n equal negative 10, and if we substitute to the logarithm give us the positive result here, so we can take this answer. So we have to answer n equal negative 10 or n equal 100. And the last question, this question, yeah, you can write 2 to the power of 3. 2 power of 3 equal y square plus 7 of y. This written as y square plus 7y equal x. Ring left, y square plus 7 of y minus x equals 0. After factorizing, plus x, y minus 1 equals 0. And then y1 equal negative x and y2 equal positive of 1. Now, so here are the solution for question 3 part B. We have to distinct solution, negative x or positive of 1. Okay, students, this is the end of our video answering question in video part 3. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.